Making money with dividends is one of the easiest ways to generate passive income through investing. Here's how beginners can get started. Understand dividends. Dividends are regular payments that companies make to shareholders, usually quarterly. They come from a company's profits and can be cash payments or additional shares. Choose dividend stocks. Look for companies with a strong history of paying dividends, like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, and Procter & Gamble. Focus on stocks with a high but sustainable dividend yield. Use dividend ETFs and REITs. Invest in dividend ETFs like VYM for diversification. Consider REITs, which pay higher dividends from rental income. Reinvest dividends. Use a dividend reinvestment plan to automatically buy more shares. This leads to compound growth, increasing your future dividend income. Build a dividend portfolio. Invest consistently in dividend-paying stocks to grow your passive income. Over time, you can live off your dividends or reinvest them for larger returns.